Get ready to meet the ultimate road companion. Introducing the Lokithor Jumper and Air Inflator, a powerhouse device that combines a jump starter and a tire inflator in a sleek and portable design. With this cool gadget, you can jumpstart your car and inflate your tires anytime and anywhere. Let's see it in action. Okay, and this is everything that comes inside the box. This is the Lokithor JA300. This is a jumper, also a air pump. It comes with the manual right here, a bag to store it, another bag to store the accessories. All right, this is the jumper cable, the hose to inflate the tires, some accessories for different attachments, USB-C to USB-A cable to charge it, and this is the jumper. It has a light on the side. This one is the connection for the jumper cable, and this is the connection to charge it and to charge your devices. This is the plug for the air pump to connect the hose. On the top, there's a button to turn on the light. You can turn it on in here. You hold it, you turn on the light. Hold it again, it flashes, and flashes slower. Alright, and it has a screen. It says the PSI. You can turn it on and off here. Yes, you can change it to PSI or bar in here. You can change the pressure in here and turn on the pump here. Alright, JA300 is the model, 150 PSI and 1500 amps. Cool. And this is everything that comes inside of the box. Okay, today we're gonna test a jumper. The battery is dead, so let me show you. It's dead. So here's the button. I'm pressing the brake, and the battery is dead. Okay, this is the Lokithor. So remember to remove the cap from the plug, and the plug goes in here. Okay, right there. Then the red one here, and the positive here, and turn it on. Let's see. Cool, it works. So that's the Lokithor Jumper and Air Inflator. Honestly, this thing is a game changer. It's compact, super easy to use, and it saves you from those oh no moments on the road. Whether it's a dead battery or a low tire pressure, it's got you covered. I think it's totally worth it for the peace of mind alone. If you're looking for something reliable to keep in your car, this is a solid choice. And if you found this helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Thank you and see you on the next video. Okay guys, it's time for the giveaway. Okay, for the giveaway we're gonna give this product over here. Okay, and the rules are super simple. You have to like this video, you have to be subscribed to this channel, you have to put a comment in this video, and this is only for the USA. So the winner, we're gonna announce him or announce the person on Sunday, not this Sunday, the next Sunday after that one. I think this is January 5th. Okay, so on January 5th we're gonna announce the winner for the giveaway. Good luck guys, thank you for watching, God bless you, thank you, and see you on the next video.